Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see send follow request on Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Now you can see here 3 lines. Press on this. Now go to Account Center. Here you can see Information and Permissions. Press on this. Now go to Download your information. Here you can see Download or Transfer information. Click on it. Now select your email and press on Next. Now you can see here 2 options. You have to choose for some of your information. Now scroll down. In the option of connections, you have to press Select All. Then click on Next. Then click here Download to device. Now press on Create Files. After clicking on Create Files, you'll get this email. And you have to press here Download your information. Here you can see the option of download. Press on this. Now give your password. Press on continue. Here it is. And press on extract. Now click on done. That's it. So this is how to see send follow request on Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.